Hi, it's Les. Now, did you ever want to become a freelance copywriter but don't know where to start? Well, relax, because in this AWAI beginners video, I'm going to tell you about an exciting new development in copywriting that means you can become a skilled in-demand copywriter earning real money within 4 weeks. Have you ever thought about becoming a freelance writer, making your living online with just a laptop and an internet connection? I'm willing to bet there's a fair chance you have considered that. The problem is there are so many courses out there, it's really confusing knowing which course to pick, and to be perfectly fair, a lot of the courses out there are really bad quality. That's a huge issue with the courses available. Now, in this video I'm going to clear up the confusion, and I'm going to tell you about a recent development that I'm excited about that means you can become an in-demand copywriter earning real money in the shortest possible time, even within 4 weeks. Now, you want to watch the end of the video because I have a special bonus for you that you can't get anywhere else, and I'm giving that to you guys for free today. So watch through to the end of the video to get that. I'll give you a link to pick it up. Now, as you know, those of you who know me, I've previously talked about AWAI's Six-Figure Copywriting course, and that's been the pinnacle of copywriting courses for quite a number of years now. And I recognized a short while ago, although the course is fantastic in terms of what it does teach you to do, it was becoming less and less relevant to copywriting online today. And the exciting development I want to tell you about today is the fact that AWAI have brought out a new course, the AWAI Method, that's far more modern and addresses the issues of writing modern copy online today. And the way the course is structured, you can become a copywriter earning good money within about 4 weeks. Now, let's get into the differences between the two courses, because this is quite critical in terms of deciding if this is going to be right for you to help you launch your copywriting career. So let's start with the AWAI Accelerated Program for Six-Figure Copywriting, which was the older course. It was a really good course, but it was more concerned with direct copywriting for direct response copywriting in print. And if you remember, that course had a 90-day plan, so you could go from a novice to being a copywriter earning money within 90 days. Now, the new course from AWAI, which is the AWAI Method, takes you from being a novice to earning real money as a copywriter online within 4 weeks. And compared to 90 days of the previous course, that is quite a leap forward, and I'm quite excited about that because it's going to get you earning money as a copywriter much more quickly than the previous course. And what the AWAI Method does, it draws on the best of the copywriting principles from the existing course, from the previous course, but brings that up to date. And you'll be writing such things as strategic content, website copy, landing pages, sales pages, online ads, all that kind of thing. All the type of copy that companies are looking for today in today's modern environment. Now, a great feature of the new course of the AWAI Method is as you go through the course, you'll put together a complete campaign, a complete online campaign. And this is actually the kind of work you would be doing for clients. Not only that, as you complete each step of the campaign, you'll get continuous feedback from experts on it. So this is quite in contrast to the previous program, which only had a very limited amount of feedback. On the new course, the AWAI Method, you're going to get feedback every step of the way, and by the time you've completed the course, you'll have put together a very relevant, highly relevant campaign, which you can take out and show clients that you actually know your stuff and you can write these things. And all of this, as I say, is looked at by experts as you develop the campaign during the course. So that's very powerful. You know you're on the right lines with this. There's no mistake about that. You know you're doing the right thing with it, and you end up with a campaign at the end of it, which is a complete digital campaign. And that's a great thing to go out and show clients that you can actually do that. So let's summarize the two courses side by side, and you can appreciate the difference between the two in a few bullet points. So the old course, the accelerated program, was a 90-day plan. The new course, which is the AWAI Method, is a 4-week plan, so that's 28 days as opposed to 90 days. The original course was a traditional direct response course, where the new course is more aligned with modern online writing, so modern online copywriting. The original course was very much geared towards just writing sales letters, and these were the kind of sales letters that would have traditionally gone into print, whereas the new course uses the core principles of that, but expands it into modern day online digital writing. And of course, on the old course, there was very limited feedback. You perhaps weren't quite sure how you were progressing. A lot of people have asked me about that. They wanted to have feedback. And, I can only say on the old course, it had a limited amount of feedback. Whereas on the new course, you're getting ongoing feedback on every single piece you write. So you're exactly on the right track as you're going through the course. As I say, within sort of 28 days, 4 weeks, as opposed to the 90-day plan on the previous course. There you have it. So based on the new course from AWAI, the AWAI Method, I'm shifting my focus towards that from the old course. And, if anything, that would be the course I would recommend you look at. Now, if you feel that's going to be right for you, I'll put a link in the description. You can go and look at it directly. And if you use my link, go through my link, there's a bit of a discount and there's a couple of different payment methods you'll be offered by going through my link. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, perhaps make a comment, hit the bell notification so I can inform you of more videos like this as they come along. Now, right at the start of the video, I promised you a special bonus, and that's my Freelance Writing Success Secrets mini-series. It's a mini-series of videos designed to help you. It's all free of charge. And what I'll do is I'll send them each day to your inbox. And that's a complete mini-series, mini-course in itself. And now, as well as that, I'm going to give you 3 bonuses. And as I say, I'll put a link at the top of the description and in the comments, which will take you through, and you can pick up the mini-series absolutely free of charge. Okay, so that's it. That's a new AWAI course. I'm excited about it because it's modern, it's up to date. It gets you up and running as a copywriter within 4 weeks, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, that's about it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. There'll be more videos like this soon. Don't forget, thumbs up, hit the bell notification so you get informed when the videos come out, and I'll help you as much as I can on your way to becoming a freelance writer, just like I am. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Bye-bye.